Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to track previous locations on your iPhone. Now, head into this settings app on your iPhone. And the first place that you can look for previous locations is we can scroll down until we get to privacy and security. From here at the top is location services. This is all of the apps and activities and services that can track your location and your location history. Now within here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom here. You can see at the bottom is system services. Let's just tap on that. And then again, we're going to scroll down until we get to where it says significant locations and routes. Essentially what this will do is it will track locations that you regularly go, and it will show it as records on here. Now I usually have this turned off so it says 0 records, but you should be able to find them on there. If you don't see that location history in there, there are two other places to check. The first one is let's open up Google Maps. Now, if the person uses Google Maps, you or your child or whoever, you can always just tap on the profile button at the very top right. And now you can see it says your timeline. I can tap on your timeline and it will bring me up to all of the places that that person, your child, whoever it may be, has visited. So you can see if I go here, it will say everywhere that I've been today, and then I can go to different days. Again, I normally have this turned off so it doesn't show up with anything. And then the next place that we can check is Apple Maps instead. So let's say instead you used Apple Maps. All you need to do from here is swipe up and you'll be able to see recent here. I can tap on recent and find all of the recent directions to certain places around my area. I can tap on it to get more information about that route, etc. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.